Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of Dillenium marketing, and this time I will show you how can you get the real freelance jobs as a graphic designer. Okay, in my last tutorial I showed you some website. By using that you can improve your passive income and you can cut some project clients and customers, but today I will show you how can you get a freelance job. There are some website as well. By using that you can find some great opportunities to become a great graphic designer, and you will be able to find some more jobs related to your skills. So this is all about you. How are you performing and how are you moving forward as a designer? Okay, this is the having a graphic design skills. This is a very strong skills that you have. Now you can commercially take more more jobs, you can get more projects, you can find some clients and customers worldwide just by using your skills. So I'm showing you what are the great websites and what are the other ways to find a real graphic design job. So let's start now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I will take you to a website that is known as the upwork.com. This is a very good website. I have already worked over here and I found a very good clients and customers by using this site. Initially when I started as a designer and I started as a developer as well, I started from this website. Previously it was Freelance, and now it's working as upwork.com. So you can come over here, you can create a very strong portfolio over here, you can create a profile over here, and then you can submit or apply for the jobs, or you can bid. There is a process of bidding. So you need to write a winning proposal. To write a winning proposal, what you have to do, you just need to create a very strong portfolio related to your skills and expertise. For this you can create your portfolio over the Dribble, or otherwise you can create on behance.com. So there are so many ways. I will also share some details about how to create a portfolio, online portfolio, that can create some more opportunities for you. So I will do the tutorial on this topic as well, but right now I'm showing you how can you create a very strong profile on these sites and you can find some more jobs related to your skills. For this, for example, if you will come over here, upwork.com, then here you can find two options here: find freelancers or find jobs. So here you can explore for more jobs like this here, and as you come over here, then it will take a little time, and then you can find the category over here, design and creatives. If you have the skills in the other categories as well, like the development and the writing, translation, virtual supports, or whatever you can do, you can find as well. But here I'm talking about the graphic design, so I will show you how can you easily find the graphic design jobs from here. So for example, you come over here in design and creative category, and here you can find some jobs related to that, but this is not the carve out related to graphic design skills. So for that, what you have to do, you need to find some subcategories. So here you can find the animation, audio production, graphic design, illustration. If you have skills in logo design and branding, then you can find the opportunity over here. So you can see that there are 1161 jobs are listed at the moment for related to the category of the logo design and branding. So it depends upon you how can you get more opportunities for you related to your skills. If you have the skills related to photography, presentation, video production, voice talent, and whatever you want, then you can find the opportunities related to that. Let's explore logo design and branding. So you can come over here you can find different jobs. You can also find the estimated budget of each job, so you can find some good opportunities for you. But to get a good job at this site, you need to write a winning proposal. So the winning proposal is the main thing that you have to write, otherwise you will be bidding and you will not get any job. So you have to focus on your portfolio, your profile, so it need to be, and your proposal as well that you will write to create a job. For example, I will come over here as a logo creation, and then you can submit a proposal here. So these are the things that you have to define to yourself, that how are you moving forward with this site. So this is a very good site that can pay you more if you find some good clients, customers, or projects related to your skills. In the same way, you can find another website that is also a freelance website, that is the CREWCOM. You can also find some great opportunities over here related to the graphic design skills, but the jobs, you can see only the 68 jobs are listed over here at the moment, but you can find some more. If you find there's some good opportunities related with the good clients and customers, then you can get some good money. This is not about money, this is also about getting giving you the exposure to work with the worldwide client as well. In the same way, you can find another website, that is the freelancer.com. This is also a very good website, and they are the pioneers in freelancing, so you can also find some good opportunities from here just by using the skills of the design projects, web and graphics. Here you can write the category and you can search over it and you can find. So here you can bid according to time, or so you need every website have different taste and the different terms and conditions, so you have to know about that before submitting your project. So in the same way, there is another website, that is the favoredcom. So you can find some good jobs over here, but the cost of the project is so low, so that's why I don't recommend to my students that when I teach them that this is very good. If you want to start, then you can do them, because there are many success stories are also made by using this site, but it all depends upon you. How are you using your skills? If you can, if you are paying your time and investing your time in some project, then give them the quality project, and there should be some worth of your project. So I will recommend you to go for the the website that can pay you more related to your project. But you can look around there is also a category: build your logo design, WordPress, voiceover, whiteboard, social media. There is a lot of categories over here, they listed here, that you can find to explore your project according to your skills and expertise. It's a very good site if you want to start. If you're a beginner, you want to learn how to work with the worldwide client, then you can start with this website as well. So this is also a very good website. And another website that I found over the internet, that is a peoplefor. They are very good, and I'm not sure, but you have to look around that how much percentage they are taking. But I think this is a very minimal amount that they are taking. So you have to look around this. There is also some good opportunities for you to work as a designer. So here you can find design, logo design, illustration and graphics, and website design category. So here you can look around it, and you can find the opportunities related to your skills: illustration, branding, logo design, whatever you want, you can come over here. So here you can also look around. Basically, these are the freelancers. Yes, these are the freelancers that are providing the skills. So you can also look around then that how they are working. This is also the great idea. If you are working on any of the website, then you need to look around how these people are successful working on that website, and what are their credentials, how they move forward throughout their tenure on that website, and how are they making money, what are their promotion, like what are the links they are using in their website to promote their to promote themselves as a designer, or their profile. You look around that. Here you can also look around this, that this person has 99% reviews, and 686 people has been reviewed so far, and 61 items. So you can, in his portfolio, this is also the way of you can independently create your own portfolio on the individual websites as well. But if you want to create a global portfolio, then you can go on some portfolio websites as well to create your exposure. So one thing that is very necessary, you need to adopt a simple category. If you want to work in any specific category, then you have to write about it. For example, Here you can see how the person is writing illustrator, brochure, flyer. So you need to work about all these categories as well that you need to mention when somebody looking around. For example, if you are not bidding and somebody is looking for a great graphic designer who have a great credentials, great skills, then it will be quite easy for them to look around at your portfolio as well. So these are the little tips and tricks that by using that you can find some good project over the internet by using these freelancing sites that can pay you more, and it could be your full-time job. It can be turned you as an entrepreneur as well, because these are the great sites and there is a lot of people had made success stories by using these websites. So thank you so much for watching, and I will come back to you in another tutorial. Subscribe to my channel. If you like this tutorial, then you can hit the like button as well. Have a very good day. Bye bye.